What's going on, guys? Phil here from Custom Offsets TV on the YouTube with Keaton, who you've heard me say before, but I don't think anybody's actually seen you other than the one time you put like the 2-second clip in of you waving behind the camera. So Keaton usually asks the questions in this or that, but today we got an episode from the gallery, and because Keaton is a hipster, we thought it would be funny to have a hipster rate your trucks. Yep. Do you think you fit the definition of hipster?
I feel like the hipster answer is no.
Right. Oh, no, I'm not a hipster. Yeah. I just really enjoy indie music and film cameras.
Hey, it's fun.
All right, so let's jump into it. This will be fun. 2016 Dodge Ram 2500 Specialty Forge SF 035, or 26 by 16s, absolutely huge. Fury 38 by 15 and a half, and an 8-inch BDS suspension lift. Wow, this is pretty slick.
It's a big boy.
It's huge. Taillights, headlights, lots of paint work, painted mirrors. He's got the suspension, powder coated, wheels to match.
I like how it's just two colors.
White, red,
yeah,
that's it.
Simple.
Yeah, I do like it. He's got fender flares on there too. Those might be the factory flares. They look a little bigger than factory. Yeah, that's the photos.
I like them.
So now we're gonna give it a number, 1 to 10, 1 being not so good, 10 being super good, and then we're gonna explain why.
All right.
You got it?
Got it.
3, 2, 1.
7.
7? I feel like that's kind of low for this much.
Yes. So I think it's too much for me. So I think it's cool. I like the colors. I like how it's just white and red.
Yeah.
But I think all of the suspension being like that gloss, like candy apple red is, I don't know, not doing it for me.
Too much for you?
Too much, yeah.
The red wheels definitely make a statement. I gave it a 9 because I think it's really clean overall. There's just always some room for improvement there, but it's massive. It looks really nice. Red is super, super flashy and out there. I don't know if like I would go with that color, so I didn't rate it a 10. Just not something that I would probably do, but I think it looks sweet. Again, just maybe I wouldn't drive it, but it's big, and again, the 2-color thing is perfect because people sometimes go overboard with way too many colors.
Yeah, I think for like a show truck, it's cool, but I think, driving it daily, a little too much for me.
Yeah. Next one. Oh, wow, another big boy.
Wow.
2017 Toyota Tundra, RBP SWAT, 22 by 14s, Toyota Open Countries, the MT 40 by 15 and a half, and a 12-inch bulletproof lift. Thing's massive. Aftermarket front bumper, it's got some lighting going on. This thing's huge.
I like it. It looks like a tank or like...
It looks like it wants to be off-road, for sure. Usually I'm not a huge fan of these wheels either, but on this truck, it actually looks pretty good.
Mm-hmm. I don't know how to feel about the front bumper.
Really? That's like my favorite part.
Really? It's so small compared to like everything else.
So you can fit the big wheels and tires and still turn.
True.
It's a very like desert, like pre-runner looking kind of setup, which I think is why I like it so much. Ready?
Cool, yeah.
3, 2, 1, 9.5. 8.
Yeah. We're going up,
Incrementally.
Yeah.
9.5 because it's sick.
Yeah, so I didn't want to go too high. I want to leave some space for the ceiling,
Yeah, because you don't know what's coming.
Exactly.
That's the other thing. We've never looked at these trucks before. They're picked randomly, so this is the first time we're seeing them. It looks pretty gnarly.
I like how it definitely looks more like a pre-runner. It looks more like aggressive and looks like you could actually do things with it and not just have it sit in the parking lot, which is cool.
Yep. I would probably want it to be not quite so tall because the thing is so you're not going to drive this thing 100 miles an hour through the desert.
Right.
At least I feel like you couldn't because it's just so high that like you're going to end up rolling it if you hit something.
Yeah.
So maybe a little bit lower, but like the style wise, this like build theme, I really like. That's why it gets such a high rating. And so it's super reliable. And I don't know, the Tundra and Tacoma are both good platforms for off-road vehicles.
Yeah, I like it's black and white. It's not too tinted. I don't know, it's more, even though it's bigger, I think it's less loud.
Yeah, it's just black and white.
Yeah.
Wow, here you go.
Yeah.
You're probably gonna buy one of these. 76 F250 Vision Furies, the 18 by 8.5 plus 0 offset. Trail Graps, 285 75s, and a Fox suspension leveling kit. Always got a light bar on the front. It's a weird color.
It is.
Do you like that color?
I don't know. I mean, I think it looks nice since it's so clean.
Yeah.
But like, if it was a different color, I think I'd like that better.
I just want it black.
Yeah, black would be cool.
classic trucks, all black. Like they just look good. Looks like he actually like uses this. Just got some off-road pictures here, and then car wash picture too. So
yeah, reminds me of a truck my grandpa would have had.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My grandpa's owned Chevys for a very long time. I don't think he would have had one of these. It's a nice classic 70s Ford. No tint or anything like that though. It looks like just kind of wheel tire suspension. In good condition, because in the photos I can see snow, so it's not like he has it in Southern California where it's just preserved all the time.
Right, yeah.
So either it's been redone or somebody took really good care of this thing. Based on the color, I would assume that that's factory paint.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see how many miles are on it and how much use it's been through.
Yeah. See if the odometer's rolled over yet.
Yeah.
All right, you have a number?
I do.
3, 2, 1, 6.
7.5.
I feel like you were late.
I was
on the
late.
number there.
So I was gonna go 8,
Yeah?
but I wanted to go a little lower than the last one. I like the older trucks, but I think it's a little boring. It looks a little too stock, I think.
Yeah.
Where the last one looked way more customized and was like that guy's own truck.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think this is cool. I think there's a lot of room to work with, at least with this.
Yeah, I've seen a couple people do like bigger builds with these, with taller lifts and whatnot, and they actually look pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
Like same kind of thing, with just the leveling kit, and the wheels aren't very wide, the tires aren't like super oversized. It does look like a similar configuration to what a stock truck would look like, just with more modern wheels.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, 06 Ram 1500, TAS 544s, because everybody has them, open country AT2s, and a rough country leveling kit.
Interesting. Looks like a spaceship to me.
A spaceship.
Yeah.
He's got some dark tint going on. He's got a windshield banner.
It reminds me of like what 2006 thought the future was going to look like.
Yeah. Yeah, I could see that.
But no, I like it. I like the color. I like the chrome wheels. I don't know. I just like things simple. I don't like too much color. I think the chrome goes well with the
Chrome
teal.
bumpers and then it's teal. He's got aftermarket taillights, the old locally hated sticker, because you got to have that.
Is that a thing?
Yeah, it's in like the American Force font, but the thing is, it doesn't have American Forces. He has TAS 544, so I don't know if that's allowed. I'll have to check the lifted truck rule book.
Section D, subsection
Yeah,
A.
I believe it's 346, 489, parent 1, subsection A.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Leveling kit, not very big.
No, but 33 by 12 and a half, so
Yeah.
kind of stuffed in there. Got a number for it?
I do.
3, 2, 1,
7.
6. I don't really like this body style of Ram. I think the headlights are too big.
Yeah, I don't know, the front looks it's like more round and then the back is, I don't know, more square.
As far as like wheel and tire selection goes, I think this is a really good setup for this truck. I think it looks nice on there.
Yeah.
It's just the truck in general is not like my cup of tea.
Yeah.
But if you're a Ram guy, send it.
Yeah.
This looks nice on there. 2012 F-150 Fuel Beasts. Not a super popular wheel. They're 20 by 12s, but they're concave wheels, so they don't have a lip. The spokes come all the way to the edge. Turo Trailblade XTs, which is the hybrid tire from Turo, and it's on a leveling kit. He's got some aftermarket headlights, aftermarket grill, the Raptor style grill. I really do like these headlights on here.
Yeah, those are sweet.
Crew cab, blacked out taillights. Those are dark. Light bar behind the grill.
I like it. I don't know if I like the, what's what I'm looking for? This thing.
The thing
Go
with the
more.
stuff.
Nope, go more.
What?
The grill.
You don't like the grill?
I don't think I like the grill.
I think the grill's the best part.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know. It's just like, it's too big. Ford is too big.
If I had an F-150, this is the grill I would put on it.
Really?
Hands down. 100%. I don't know why you don't like it. It's
know.
like from the Raptor, and it looks good. I don't know.
It's just too much. I mean, I think the rest of the truck is like very simple.
Yeah,
And then you just got, boom, Ford slapped right on the front.
I guess.
It's cool, but I do really like the headlights.
Slight rub at full turn with some metal trimming. Yeah. the 20 by 12s with 33s on a leveled F-150, like that's a pretty large wheel and tire to stuff in there. So I could see why he runs into some rubbing issues. Obviously, it sticks out decently far. This was one of my favorite body styles of F-150 too. This is what Kirk has. I think it's a good looking truck.
Yeah. My dad had one of these.
Really?
Yeah.
What does he have now? Doesn't that have Jeeps and?
Yeah, he has two. He has a new Jeep, a 2017 JL, I believe. JK, yeah. And then he has like an older, like 2001 Wrangler, just kind of, you know.
All right, you got a number for this one?
Yes. I do.
This is tough. 3, 2, 1,
7.
7.
Yep.
Samesies.
Yeah.
I think a different wheel selection would make it higher rated for me.
Yeah, I agree.
When you go with the 20 by 12, it's like it's so wide, and then you don't get any of the lip, so it's like.
Yep. Yeah, I like it. It's very simple, but I think I agree. It's just it's a lot in the wheel well, and I don't know. I think the wheel could be smaller.
That's the other thing is like these Eteros, like they look like more rounded on the edges. So when you put them on the wheel, it's just like you got the spokes that stick all the way out, but then the tire like folds in, and there's just a weird combo going on there.
Yeah. Otherwise, I like it. I think the aftermarket headlights are super cool. I don't know how I feel about the grill, but
The grill's the best part. Changed my mind.
But I think the rest of it looks really good, really complete. I think I don't know, it looks like a good daily truck, but he also put in that effort of, making it more than that, which is cool too.
Yeah, that's another episode from the gallery. If you guys want your trucks featured, you can add it at customoffsets.com/ad. And if you don't know what the gallery's for, it's actually where we figure out how everything fits. So that's why we have all the specs in here, so you can just enter in your year, make, and model and see what fits the gallery. If you guys want us to rate your trucks, add it, put them in the link below, put them in the comment section below with the link so we can look at it and get you added to the list. I think that's it.
Cool. That was sick.
Nice work. Peace.
Peace.
Oh, I just learned how to do this thing with my hoodie. Watch this. It looks super trippy. Does it not look that trippy? I saw it on TikTok. The dude was like, "Wow," and he's like, it slides his neck down. Zoop.